Hello, my friends. I hope you all had a great Mother's Day weekend. I know this is Tuesday. I was going to do this video yesterday, but we had a major power outage on Sunday, actually, and that kind of messed up Mother's Day a bit in this area. And I ended up hurting my back because I had my air conditioning unit that is portable. Because in my house, I don't have venting because we have a boiler, radiant hot water heat, so we don't have venting in our house. So we have a portable air conditioner upstairs in our bedroom, and that thing went out because of the power surge, even though I have everything on power surge protectors. And I ended up hurting my back, which I've had a bad back for a long time. So I'm in quite a bit of pain, but I'm going to try to get through this video today. I may take a few more days off to rest my back because sitting seems to hurt it the worst. But here we go. So for those of you that are following our how to make $100 a day online step-by-step videos, today is day 14 in the series. And if you're landing on this video, this is your first video in the series you're landing on, just make sure all you got to do is underneath the video, you'll see my name. All you got to do is click on it. It'll bring you to my YouTube channel, and you can scroll down and you'll see how to make $100 a day online, the $9.97 easy business. You'll click play all and you'll start this series from day one and catch up with us. And today's video, what we're going to do is we're going to talk about a daily checklist. Make $100 a day online, daily checklist, because there are certain things you want to be doing daily to make sure that you're being consistent, because making money online is all about having consistent marketing out there and that you're following a plan. So like one day you're like, what am I doing today? And you're just sitting there staring at your screen. A checklist can help you go, yes, I did that. Yes, I did that. Yes, I did that. Oh, I still need to do that. Okay, I did everything. I'm done for the day. And that checklist can help guide you, and we will add to the checklist as we go along in this series at times. And so we're gonna below the video like normal. So like if I go to day 12 in the video series and click on day 12, just click on it, and once I'm here, under the video you click on show more, and you'll see that you can scroll down and you'll see in the description your $9.97 easy business follow-up emails and advertising swipes. There's a doc there where you'll find that. The list of mailers and Safelist we show you how to use in another video. There's a document that goes along with that. But below that, there will be another document under this video that we're starting today, which is the checklist. So you will click on that, and basically what it'll say is your online daily checklist. So you'll click on that document and it'll bring you here. So this is what we're going to go through today, because this is really important so you don't get lost meandering all around like I explained, and you stay focused. Because if you stay focused and do these daily checklists and make sure that you have these things going on in in your business and you're building it with the got backup, you're going to make money. But if you don't follow this checklist and you do one thing here and there, your chances of making any real money are next to nothing, because you're not following any pattern that's going to lead you to success. So that's why I want to make sure that you follow a checklist, and that's why I'm providing this checklist now. But we're going to run through it. So the first thing we have here is send a broadcast email to your got backup pre-enrolled leads daily. Okay, so you should email your got backup pre-enrolled leads every day if possible. We always try to send an email every single day. Sometimes we only email 4 to 5 times in a week though. But you should be at least 4 to 5 times every single week. Send a broadcast email to your leads. We've provided in the other doc, like I shared with you, right here, the easy business follow-up emails and advertising swipes. You click on that doc, and I will add more swipes to that as we go along. I have added a new one the other day, and you can use those as a guide to use for any of your marketing. But I also encourage you to just write emails that reach out to your pre-enrollees that say something on the order of, hey, I'm excited to share this business with you. Log into your power line and upgrade if you haven't. I've given you, in these email swipes information and the link you need to use for that. And in other videos, I've pointed it out. But tell them that you're available to help them. Share with them resources that you're using. Any of these resources we're using, share with them those. And just let them know, hey, here's my number. You got any questions? Or here's my Facebook. Add me as a friend. Send that in the email. Hit me up. Ask questions. I'd love to help get you started. Just be friendly. That's it. Just like sending emails to a friend, they don't all have to be promotion hard. Reach out sometimes and send that broadcast email just like you want to make friends. And that's why we have this number one, because the money is made in the follow-up. Got Backup, the 997 Easy Business, is designed with the number one way to market online, which is email marketing, because 90% and on up of your sales is going to come from the follow-up of you broadcasting emails to your Got Backup leads and following up with them. They say it takes on average anywhere of 5, 7 to 12 times of sending emails to somebody before they're going to sign up with you, meaning they're going to purchase the product and become an affiliate for Got Backup or anything in marketing. And that's true. Not everybody joins right away, and I've explained that in other videos. You got your ready nows, your ready laters, and your ready way laters, and it starts to compound when you follow a checklist like this, and you're making sure you're doing all of these things. Your efforts will start to compound and pay you tenfold. At first, when you start marketing online, it's like work. You do these things, not much money or none. Work. Hey, you got paid. Work. Got paid. Work. Got paid. Work. Got paid. Work. Got paid. And it just starts to become, you start to get paid all of the time, meaning you're making commissions every single day. And that's how we get to $100 a day, is by being consistent. And it all starts with broadcasting to your leads as you get them. Make sure you send them daily broadcasts. Now, there's a link underneath of it. All you do is click on it, and you can refresh yourself how to do that. And then once you click on that, it opens up this little box. Then click right here. It'll open up the video in a new tab, and you can literally go back.
Yo. All right, if you're a high-ticket business.
I got to stop this ad. I hate these ads. But you can literally go back and rewatch this video. You'd skip the ad, of course, and rewatch it, because I walk you through doing that. Every one of these things in the checklist, I put the corresponding video that you would click on to refresh yourself. So if you've been following all these things, you should have leads in your back office of Got Backup. If you haven't been following these things consistently and you don't have leads back there yet and nobody to email, well, then you haven't been really following these things. There's something you're not doing. So make sure that you're doing all of these things. Next is post to social media. I explained on day 6 about social media and how to use social media in a better fashion to actually start getting engagement and building only one platform first, and building that until you have high engagement, lots of friends, lots of followers. So you focus on one and not a ton of them. I mean, if you already have social media and you have, 3 different social media platforms and they're all growing and you're active on all 3, well, of course, use all 3 of them then. But if you have a bunch of channels on different social media and none of them have any followers or engagement or hardly any friends, make sure you follow the video that I have here for starting to build one social media, like Facebook, whatever, Twitter, whichever one you're like totally enthralled with. Start building that social media, making posts about Got Backup, the business opportunity, making posts that are engaging. Like if I go to my Facebook channel real quick, just go to my profile. And right now I'm posting these videos because these videos I am doing to help people, and a lot of people connected to me have joined us and Got Backup, so I make sure to post these on my profile. That's a form of video. I just posted this one earlier. Last night I was testing out a 30-year-old mosquito zapper, actually, and it still worked and actually zapped the crap out of mosquitoes, and this thing is 30 years old. And so I shared that. Yeah, I get some engagement, people commenting. Some of my other videos, hardly anybody comments on. Sometimes you're not going to have that much engagement. And I explained to you that this really is a new Facebook profile for me. It's only not very old because of I had my original one hacked and I never got it back. And I explained that in that video that is listed in this checklist. But I post every day, almost every single day, sometimes twice a day too, trying to get engagement. And I've given you examples about how other people post, and I do post like that sometimes. I give you places and ideas about Facebook groups, ones that allow blatant advertising, and how some other people are doing it. So make sure you review that video, and you're doing that daily. Again, these are daily, and like sending a broadcast, I said, make sure at least 4 to 5 times a week, bare minimum. Social media, try to post every day, sometimes twice a day, maybe even 3 times a day, because it takes minutes. Use Canva to create cool images or take pictures of stuff and create engagement, talk about marketing, success quotes. There's so many different things you can post. And then, of course, promote. You need to promote Got Backup, use images, put your link out there, and then interact with people who comment and like people's posts and build that engagement on one social media. So you're not spending all day on social media, because you don't want to sit there on your phone and live on your phone, for God's sakes. So then next is post your text ads. In day 7, this video here will walk you through 3 places that you can post text ads, 2 of them daily, or once every 3 days on one of them, and make sure that you post those. Go there every day. It takes minutes to make a new post. That video walks you through doing that. There's a lot of people that visit those 3 places I gave you. And then send ads in Mailers and Safelist. For those of you who want to use those, we still use them, even though we have paid advertising running, even though we have other reach through email lists we've built over the years, but we still use them because we find new people in them. And we go in there and send to them. And if you don't have hardly any traffic, you have nowhere else to get traffic from, you're just starting to build your social media on one of the social media platforms, use them. Use them every day. Send in them every day. And in that video, it walks you through. There's a link underneath the video, too, to the list of Mailers and Safelist to get started with. And the video shows you exactly how to use them. So there's no excuse there for not using them. And if you ain't have no other reach, you haven't built an email list before, you don't have other subscribers, you have no following, use the Safelist and Mailers. They will help you to build leads and sales over time. Next is buy website traffic. You can either buy it through Udemy or Traffic Authority. Udemy, I show you in that's day 4 video right here. That's for Udemy. That one shows you how to buy a solo ad for literally $43. Come up with a budget of at least $50 a month or more. Hopefully more. But anybody can afford to get rid of $43. I mean, the $9.97 easy business is only $9.97 a month. It just so happens to have a super lucrative compensation plan. It's not costing you a lot. You need to spend the bulk of any money that you have in marketing. Marketing is the key to your success, and I've explained that in other videos. Your business and anything you would be involved in is like a needle in a haystack. And somebody trying to find that one needle in that haystack is going to take them forever. It's going to be slow. You need to have lots of needles in the haystack. You need to be reaching out. You need advertising going, and paid advertising, like using solo ads through Udemy and Traffic Authority, are super fast. That's going to get you leads and sales very quickly, people to follow up with, so that you can convert them into sales and into joining you and Got Backup and purchasing the product, and then building the opportunity. So $43 a month plus your $9.97. Anybody can do that. You're talking $50 a month to be building a business that eventually is going to pay you over $100 a day. Think about it. I mean, if it's not worth it to invest $50 a month into building an income eventually to $100 a day, I would change $50 for $100 a day all day long. Okay? Anybody would. We're talking $50 a month. That's minimal. Come up with more if you can. Cut out something in your life that you don't need, especially if you really need to build an income, or you want to do it faster. That's what you do. And Traffic Authority, they have something called an annual package. So under this buy website traffic, the next video here covers traffic authority. You see the first video is Udemy, second one is traffic authority. I know it just has different titles in it, but that's why I'm explaining this about these two. Is the second one shows you traffic authority's annual plan, where you can literally buy traffic that is automated to come out of whatever, use debit, credit card to pay for your traffic, and it will come out every month, and you will get the exact amount of clicks from traffic authority each month for consistently for 12 months. And that will generate you lots of leads and sales. So check that out if you have a bigger budget, because I think the smallest package there is $143 a month. Okay. But I have both back here so that anybody can afford to get traffic, because paid traffic is going to help you speed up the process. And then every Wednesday after 12 midnight, which is basically Thursday, once you start getting sales, and people that are joining you and got backup in the opportunity, they're going to be placed in your holding tank in your back office. And the video went down a page here, but it's right here, this day 5 video, your holding tank. So that explains exactly how to place somebody in your holding tank. So if you ever need to refresh and come back to it, we have it in the checklist. And every Thursday, you should make sure and personally place your people according to the instructions I gave you in this video, because it's going to have the most profound effect on the growth of your Got Backup 997 Easy business. Okay. And that's going to help you grow your business faster by making sure you do that every Thursday. Well, at least after 12 midnight on Wednesday. And you make sure you do that. And if you haven't joined us and Got Backup and you're just watching the videos, nothing's ever going to happen until you take action. So I made sure and put some links down here as well to the other docs as well, but to the comp plan of Got Backup and to the link to join us in Got Backup if you haven't. Otherwise, you have the Powerline link. If you've already became a lead, then make sure and go log into the Powerline area and upgrade your account. Otherwise, if you haven't even taken the free tour yet, make sure you click on this link here and open it up in a new tab and put in your email and name and take the free tour and get started, because nothing happens without taking action. If you just watch these videos and do none of these things, you will never make anything. I can guarantee you that, because knowledge without action is nothing. It's just knowledge. It does nothing unless you use that knowledge and put it into action. That's when everything will start happening, is when you use that knowledge and put everything into action and follow exactly what we're doing. Because I guarantee you, this is what we're doing, and me and my son will scale this into 6+ figures a year. We will not stop until it's 6+ figures a year, a lot more than $100 a day. And so can you, when you get serious about this stuff and make this checklist. You just do everything each day. Once it's done, check it off like I explained, and then you're done with it. You've done it. You've done all these things. Hey, I did everything today, got these all checked off. Great. I'm good to go. I can either find some other marketing avenues for building my Got Backup business because it's only certain time, or hey, I'm done for the day. I'm going to go take a break. I'm going to go have some fun. I'm going to go spend time with the wife and kids, or the husband and kids, or just husband or wife, or your significant other, whatever. So this will help you stay on track, and that's why I wanted to make sure I incorporated this into the video series. And maybe you don't like this checklist order. Maybe you have a couple other things because you're a seasoned marketer, or you do have some experience and you're using some other marketing methods as well, which you could add to your own checklist. You could copy this, left click, drag all over this, copy what's here, paste it over in your own doc, and you could literally paste in some more things if you got some other things that you want to add to it yourself. And we will add to this in other videos if we need to, of anything else that we are doing, my friends. So other than that, stay focused, and we will see you on another video. Have a great day.